Yo, what is up, everybody? It is your boy, Beeperation 777. We are back again with another unboxing video. Today we got this box from Easy Toys that I ordered a week ago. And yeah, thank you guys for all the support. We're at 485 subscribers. Thank you so much. I appreciate all the support. We're getting closer to our goal, 500 subscribers. Thank you so much. Let's check out the box. And I hope these planes don't come broken, because Waffle Collectibles did a horrible job of taking care of the planes last time. I spent $180, $165 with shipping on this order. And by the way, guys, here's the airport. I really hope you guys enjoyed the new airport. I appreciate that you guys liked it. And yeah, this will be the new airport for a little while. And eventually we're gonna get that section over there. Man, this box is really well protected. Okay, here we go. Alright, let's see what we got. Oh, I see them. Yes, let's take a look at the box. Really well packaged. It's better than what Easy Toys did. Oh, we got the confirmation. And here we go. Yo, yes. We got the United 747-200 Battleship Gray. Yes, sir. And what else? We got the British Airways 747-400 and Landor. Excellent. And then you got the same thing, the British Airways 747-200, because that one is broken. And let me move this box out of the way. Alrighty, so here we go. Okay, let me do a little Okay, here we go. This is we got some more 747s to the collection. And here's the Japan Airlines 747 that you guys will really love. So I think we're gonna start with the British Airways 747-200 first, because that's the one I already have. So yeah, this is my second British Airways 747, because my previous one came broken from Waffle, because they did a horrible job taking care of the plane. So here it is again. A really good box from Phoenix. I really love how Phoenix does with their boxes. So yeah, let's take him out. Let's take him out. Yes, sir. It's not broken this time. Excellent. Yes, sir. Take the plastic off. Yes, sir. Yes. It's not broken last time. Let's go. Wow. Yeah, this is a great model. This is a great model from Phoenix. It's a great model. It's a great model from Phoenix. So yeah, British Airways, they got this 747-200 in 1977 and retired them in 2002. They had this this livery, the Landor, from 1984 to 1997, and then the Negus from 1974 to 1984. And yeah, this is a beautiful model from Phoenix. So let's get to the review of this aircraft. Starting with the cockpit windows of the 747, we got the cockpit area. We got the first class area of the 747 below the nose. We got the landing gear. It's very well detailed from Phoenix. And we got the British Airways logo with the Speedbird check. We got the world's biggest offer with these Rolls-Royce RB211 engines. We got the wingtip of the 747. Older 747s like this one had wingtips. And the registration is Golf Bravo. I can't really see it. Can't really see it there. Then we got the beautiful tail. So yeah, this is a great, beautiful model from Phoenix. This is probably gonna replace my waffle collectible version of the 747 I got. Cause look, guys, here, let me bring it over here. So here it is. This is my other one. It's broken. The wingtip came off because I accidentally broke in. The landing gear was broken. So yeah, this will be a great model to the collection. This will be a great model. Alright, so we're gonna begin with the next one. Let me just clean up here a little bit. Once again, Phoenix, they do really good with it. They do really well with the 747 mold. And yeah, here we go. This is our next one, the British Airways 747-400. This is gonna be my first 747. Well, this is gonna be my second 747-400 because I have the Northwest one over there. So yeah, it's a very nice box. It's all blue. So you got this here's the back. Looks really cool. Let's take him out. Oh, they put him upside down by accident. Okay, here we go. Wow. Take him out of the plastic. Let's take him out. Wow. This is oh, wow. Here it is. The British Airways 747-400. Looks really nice. It's exactly the same as the 747-200 I have right here. So yeah, let's take a look at them. So British Airways, they got this 747-400 in 1989. Right after the 747-400 came out in 1988, and Northwest was the first carrier to have the 747-400. And yeah, this is a great model. Sadly, this plane was retired in 2020. British Airways is going to keep this plane for a couple more years, but they decided just to get retired because of the pandemic. So yeah, let's get to the review of this airplane. Starting with the cockpit windows of the 747, looks pretty good. You got the first class area. You got the British Airways logo. They seem pretty big, but it's really good. You got the business class area and the nose gear. We got the Speedbird check, and we got the Rolls-Royce RB211 engines with the world's biggest offer logo. We got the 747 winglets, 747-400 winglets, just to make it more fuel efficient than the classic 747. The registration is Golf Bravo November Lima Charlie, and a beautiful tail. So yeah, this is a beautiful model from Phoenix. They absolutely nailed this model. And yeah, this will be a good asset to the collection because I have a huge British Airways fleet, especially 747s. I have 2 of this 747 right here, and then 2 of the Landor. This will be really cool to have in the collection. So yeah, that's the second model. And then we're gonna do the last one in a moment. And then the last one we all been waiting for is the United 747-200 in the Battleship gray livery. I wanted this aircraft for a long time. And yeah, this is a really nice box. I really like the old United logo with the Sol Bass logo. There's the size of the box. It's very nice. Let's take him out. Let's take him out. I don't know why they did upside down again. And wow, yeah, this is a great model. There we go. Here it is. The United 747-200 in the Battleship gray livery. Oh, man, this is a great model. This is a great model. Man, I wanted this aircraft for a long time. Look at that. This is a beautiful livery. Oh no, this got bent right here. The wingtip. Let me see if I could fix that without breaking it. There we go. But wow, man, this is a beautiful model. Such a beautiful aircraft. So let's put him down there. But Wow, man, this is my other 747-200. It's about the same mold as my Japan Airlines one. It's about the same mold as this one, but yeah, this is a beautiful model. So it's United. They got the 747-200 in 1987. They retired them in 2000 with this livery. They had this livery from 1993 to 2000, and then they got the Soul Bass livery in 1987 when they were delivered to United. So yeah, let's get to the review. Starting with the cockpit windows of the 747, very nice. And you got the upper deck with the first class area, and then old United Airlines logo. We got the Pratt & Whitney GT90 engines with the wingtip and then this is economy, premium economy, and economy. Registration is November 161 Uniform Alpha, and the beautiful tail. So yeah, this is a great model. This is just a beautiful model from Phoenix. I love the old United logo, old United livery. And yeah, this is our unboxing with 3 more 747s. We got a British Airways 747-400 Landor, and the 747-200, and a United 747-200. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video of this unboxing, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. Peace out.